Hi friends, can we imagine an organization without people associated with it? Probably the answer is no, we cannot, because people are the most important resources in any organization. Myself, Prakash Pillai R, Assistant Professor in HRM, Loyola College of Social Sciences, Thiruvananthapuram, welcomes you to this course on Human Resource Management. Human resources, popularly known as HR, refers to the people in any organization who are regarded as the significant assets possessing unique competencies and emotions. Human resource management, or HRM, is a critical functional domain in any successful organization. HR professionals do the most vital work of people management because ultimately the survival of an organization depends on its people. In a way, HRM is concerned with the effective and efficient management of people in an organization. The core of HRM function encompasses activities of finding, hiring, developing, engaging, supporting, rewarding, nurturing, and maintaining the most relevant people in organization. The members of a human resource management team are more focused on adding value to the strategic utilization of employees and ensuring that employee programs are impacting the business in positive and measurable ways. Now, the course outcomes of this particular course will be overall understanding about the concept and practices related to HRM in Indian context, the practical nuances of various functions of HRM by realizing the competencies and roles of successful HR professionals, a comprehensive understanding of the need and relevance of HRM systems in Indian organizations, basic learning on the strategic human resource management. Friends, this is a 3-credit course, contains a total of 30 modules. It covers all the relevant inputs related to HRM, ranging from the very basic concept of HRM, competencies and roles of HR professionals, human resource planning, recruitment and selection, learning and development, performance management, strategic HRM, health and wellness, ethics at workplace, and employee separation. If you are a people-oriented person or one who would like to know more about the secrets of people management, this is the right course for you. This will help to acquire basics of HRM at a graduate level for those who are aspiring for higher studies in management, commerce, psychology, social work, and many more. Looking forward to see you all in this course. Thank you.